Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a brief tour of my updated kitchen. You may recall a few weeks ago that I did a video on hubby and I installing a kitchen backsplash. Well, the backsplash is finished. It's all done. Really excited about it. I'll insert an iCard to the video where we showed you how we installed this kitchen backsplash. Anyhow, let's get started on this little kitchen tour. So we have an open concept kitchen slash family room, and the family room is over to the left, my right, and the living room or the dining room is over in the opposite direction. That would be the dining room. We have slate floors. I picked these out when we rehabbed, when the house was overhauled. I like them. The only drawback about stone floors is that they are cold when you're walking on them. If you're walking on them barefoot, like we do a lot. And this is our kitchen island. And the granite, of course, I picked out. Hubby would like to claim credit for these granite countertops, but nope, I picked these out. Now, hubby can claim credit for having the stove in the center island. He was determined to have the stove in the center island. He likes to cook, so we kind of let him have that. The candle I'm burning is a candle, what's the name of the company? I'll have to insert it. My daughter sells these candles. And let me just look at that really quickly. I'm drawing a blank. I am seriously drawing a blank on the candles. Party Light, sorry. And the candle is White Amber by Party Light. Getting back to the tour. You notice over the kitchen window, there's a Valance buffalo check. Remember that I hauled some buffalo check fabric from Walmart, and I'll include that video as well. So I made this Valance myself, and I did not film that Valance. I didn't film that DIY. I'm not sure why I didn't film it. In the window, you'll also see a wreath that I made. The wire for the wreath is it's from Dollar Tree, and I think most of you will recognize that. Most of us Dollar Tree shoppers will recognize that wire. And I just took some fabric and glued it together and wrapped it around the wreath and used some Dollar Tree flowers, and I hung it with a command strip. I did not show this DIY wreath either. You know, sometimes when you're doing these things, you just don't even think about filming it. So this is the backsplash, all done. And you can see under there, I added some POC lights under the cabinets. I think I need another POC light under there. So we'll hit Lowe's for another POC light. But I basically really wanted to show you how the backsplash turned out. This bowl in the corner was a leftover vase, flower vase that I filled with some fruit, artificial fruit, and added a buffalo check bow, just to keep with my buffalo check theme. I did buy new canisters for our coffee, tea, and sugar. And I got these from a store called Ocean State Job Lot. And these canisters were $14.99. And our old Keurig, of course. Our soap dispensers, I got these from Dollar Tree last year, and I never used them, but I decided to bring them out now. I added the labels for lotion, sanitizer, and soap. This came in really handy. I haven't seen them in Dollar Tree in a while, but I bought these well over a year ago. Another look at our finished backsplash, which I really love. And on top of the counter is a modified DIY that I put together for a haul. I can't recall who sponsored this challenge. I think it was This and That with Denise. This and That with Denise Jordan. And I just modified this a little bit, and I'm leaving this here throughout the holidays. And personally, I don't like a lot of stuff on the counter, so even this is a lot for me. Coffee maker. I will be checking out some videos going forward, looking for ideas on coffee stations, because I think we're going to move this coffee station, this little area here, and I think I want it to be freestanding. So I'm looking for some ideas on what to do with that, and thinking of placing the coffee station over in that area where that stool is in the corner. So that's what I'm thinking. Putting a coffee station there. And again, we have Slate Floors. These are Slate Floors. And this is a view from the corner. This painting that I have on the wall, I got this from Pier 1 Imports, about 8 years ago. I love this painting. It reminds me so much of me. And we have a TV hanging in the corner because hubby likes to watch TV while he cooks. Like I'm standing now at the stove, and this would be his viewpoint of the TV. And that's the dining room in there. Dining room, living room, living room. And again, this is the center island. So that, everyone, sorry for that, is a quick tour. Oh, I didn't show you that eat. I DIY'd that. I spray painted those letters last night and hung them up. I got those letters EAT from Goodwill a couple weeks ago in a haul, and I showed those. I wasn't sure where I was going to put them, but I spray painted those black and hung those up over the sliding door. And you know what? A lot of times I don't even think about filming these things. I just do them, and then afterwards I realize I could have filmed that for my YouTube channel. But you know, life goes on. Oh, another thing I did, and I forgot to mention this, but I cleaned out my drawers and lined them with contact paper. And I did not film this. You know what, guys? There is like so much going on that, as I said, a lot of times you don't even realize that you have filming material. This, I think I want another, some more kind of storage compartments, but for right now I think this works because we had all of these jumbled in to another drawer that, yeah, this needs another, like a storage container, but I did put the contact paper in this drawer. And this one is, this is going to be our junk drawer, which I started doing. And I'd like some more of these containers. I got these from Dollar Tree. But I did line all of the drawers with the contact paper. And again, didn't record it. I was just doing it. And I didn't do it all in one day. So that's it, guys. That's a brief tour of the kitchen. And just to show you the progress that I made. So I'm really excited about, you know, how the backsplash turned out. I'm really excited about that. I thank you guys for continuing to support this channel and everything that we do. Thank you for your comments, and please continue to ride with me. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment box. And this is our little kitchen. thank you guys again for everything. Stay tuned to this channel as I try to figure out how to do the bar cart. I'm still doing research on that, and we'll get that done shortly. I've seen some very beautiful bar carts out there, so it's just a matter of seeing what will fit in our kitchen. Once again, I appreciate your support, and I will see you all in my next production. Bye, guys.